We all know that a lot of people watch Reels with the sound off. And if you're not using captions, you're missing out on a huge chunk of your audience. The great news is that in 2025, Instagram's automatic captioning feature is better than ever. I'm going to show you exactly how to add them to your Reels in seconds. First, go into the Instagram app and start creating a new Reel. You can either record a new video on the spot or upload one you've already made from your camera roll. Once you have your video ready, you'll be on the editing screen. This is where the magic happens. Look for the captions icon and tap on it, and Instagram's AI will automatically transcribe everything you're saying in your video and turn it into text. The AI is incredibly accurate now, but it's always a good idea to double check. The text will appear on your screen and you can tap on it to make any corrections. From there, you can change the font, adjust the color, and even change the background to make your caption stand out. You can also drag the text anywhere on the screen you want. Once you're happy with how it looks, just tap done and your captions are ready to go. And that's it. It is a simple, fast process that makes your Reels more accessible and engaging for everyone who watches without sound. Make sure you use this feature on all your videos to get the best results.